guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your good Angelica Bug back again with a brand new video. In today's video, this is the very first episode of my new series called Turning My House into a Home. So in this episode, we in my walk-in closet. So pretty much I know you like Angelica, what walk-in closet? Because before this was never a walk-in closet. There was a storage room in my house. But I had nowhere for my clothes. Like, I was living out of trash bags and storage containers. Instead of literally just for my clothes, which was crazy. So I was like, you know what? I got the whole room. Let's find another place to put my shorts, all the stuff I need to keep, and turn this room into a closet. And that's what I did. I turned it into a walk-in closet. And when people see it, they're like, oh my God, now I want a walk-in closet. Like, now you inspired me to create a walk-in closet, because I had a room, and I was like, I would ask people, I was like, what can I do to turn my room into a closet? And that's what I did. I literally went to Lowe's, bought everything I needed, and it became a closet. If not fully done yet, the way I want, and that was part of the series. Again, they're fully done, but I did a few things. So I want to show you what I got. It's a mess. I ain't gonna lie right now. I ain't gonna be fronting on nothing. It's a mess right now. Like, my closet is like, girl, what is going on in here? Ain't gonna lie. It's definitely a mess in here, but we're gonna get it together. But let me just show you what I got going on in here. So this is the closet. When you walk in, it's a line. Like I said, we're picking up everything on the floor. So what I got over here, as you can see, all these don't be like on this side. It's literally just my tops, and I got a few like jumpsuits, one-piece outfits and stuff, all on here. And then on this side, it's like my bottoms. I got my cap and gown. I got some big old jackets and stuff. So I got a lot of different things that, on top. It's just shorts right now. Not really shorts, but pretty much say shorts. It's just stuff that I need. And I had to get that organized up there. And then here is the cubbies. I gotta fix my cubby. But this section is like for like towels, bras, and all that right there. And this YouTube, different things right there. Then I got over here, I got a shoe rack. I got my shoe rack right here. So this is the shoe rack. And then over here, that's me. So I just really needed to get it clean. So I just want to go in, really to get it back organized. Hang up when they even hang up. I got to buy some more hangers, but I got to figure out where to get some hangers from, because I don't have the money right now to get that. But we ain't about to stress about that. We got what we got. So I just need to get all the clothes that belong in the cubby, the short cubby, back in the short queue where it belongs. Hang up when it be hang out, and just pick off the floor, because I'm probably be able to walk in here and to get my life organized again. So that's the goal for this video. So yeah, so let's get started on picking up everything off the floor, putting it home, and just getting the room back on track, getting my walk-in closet back on track, and then whatever I do to it, I don't know what I'm doing to it. But for right now, this video is just me picking everything up, getting it clean, organized, and whatnot. And then I'm gonna come back in here in a later video in the series, later episode in the series. Transforming it and making it what I needed to be. But for now, we just need to get clothes hang up and get it organized back in the way I need it. So yeah, let's get started.
Ain't never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama, unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But the know that my body is a healer. Ooh,
stop. Have a planet trip, be a walk.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, starting on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face calm, I can feel weaker. But to know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I like to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know.
Okay, guys, so I'm pretty much done in here. The only thing I can do is do the floor. It's just so much stuff to do, but it pretty much organized. I had to see the floor again. It's just closed, organized, and stuff. And everything. So honestly, as you see in the bed, I was doing cubbies, so I was stuffing my cubbies. All my cubbies pretty much full. Had to create more cubbies and stuff, but I need hangers. As you can see, my car. Let me show you how my car looks. It's just, oh my god. You see it in a bit, but just let me walk you through. Like, this is nothing but all my tops. Right here. These tops. And then you go right over here to my pants. Literally. These little all my bottoms. Little all my bottoms. All the empty space in this, and then you see all my tops are like. I don't own way more tops than pants. I don't know. I mean, I do got bottoms, but they must like, sweatpants. So like, I'll be sweatpants and stuff and down here. So like, the sweatpants. So pretty much I made another cubby. So usually these are label, but you keep seeing my label keep coming off. But pretty much this my bras, underwear, socks, pillowcases, towel. And this one right here is loungewear / gym. Right here. Then this is loungewear / gym because there's an overfill of this. Plus sweatpants right here. These right here are my pajamas. I just got jeans in that one. This one all pretty much all SHEIN. Everything here is SHEIN. So like all my sets and everything is SHEIN related. I do got more SHEIN hanging up, but these pretty much SHEIN. All this is nothing but SHEIN clothes right here. So, and then right here, since like I went at a hanger, so like my wagon where I would have my clothes, I had to, whatever left over of my clothes, I fold them up neatly into the wagon. So these neatly to get some hangers. And this is the clothes and stuff animal. And then right here is another but a soda container full of clothes. But we ain't about to deal with that tonight at all. That is a whole nother video about it. So this one I just had to go through and see what I'm keeping, what I'm giving away. This one, so this one you don't have to worry about. But I gotta figure out what I'm doing with that. Right there. But yeah, but my closet is pretty much done the way I can see the floor and everything, so it pretty much the way I need it to be and stuff. So it's organized enough. But like I said, I do need to get more hangers if I can do any more stuff because I really want to get this stuff filled up and hang up. And then up here, like the tops and stuff, it was not bad. They really neat, not neat, but it's organized to a point. Everything up where I need so I have to go up there. So yeah, so pretty much that's it with this. I hope you loved the first episode of turning my house into a home. Starting with episode 1 of my walking car, getting this organized, now this organized. I'm at peace. I'm gonna clear because I can actually see the flow. Because usually when I travel, see the thing with my cousin is when I travel, it's a mess trying to make sure I travel and packing suitcase and all that, and this I leave a mess. So I don't have no travel plans at the moment, so hopefully they stay clean for a while, but if not, we don't know. But hope you guys enjoyed the video because my camera is about to die. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the rest of the episodes coming up in the series. Love you guys so much for coming along with my healing journey and stuff. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Love you. Mwah.